Dear students, in this video, we are going to study about the background of partition of Bengal. First and foremost, you should know that in the year 1773, a regulating act was being passed. Under this regulating act, the governor of Bengal Presidency becomes the Governor General. The governors of Bombay and Madras Presidency were directly brought under the control of the Governor General of Bengal Presidency. Now, the area under the control of the Governor General of Bengal or Fort Williams becomes very vast, and therefore a lieutenant governor was being appointed to help the Governor General of Bengal Presidency. Now, it was not practical to provide a good governance by a single lieutenant governor because of the vast area of the Bengal Presidency. And this leads to the partition of Bengal. The second point you have to remember that after the Sepoy Mutiny or the revolt of 1857, the British had taken many steps to reform the Indian administration, and the partition of Bengal was also a part of this process. Now, after the discussion between the Indian government and the government of England, a decision was taken to disjoin the vast Bengal province. Now, by keeping this in mind, on 7 February 1874, the state of Assam was being created, which included 6 districts from Brahmaputra Valley and also Kasia Janshia Hills, Naga Pahar, Kachar and Srihata. The total area was 54,100 square miles and the population was 41,50,000. After creating this state of Assam, a post of chief commissioner was being created. As a result, R.H. Keatings becomes the first chief commissioner of Assam. He was chief commissioner of Assam from 1874 to 1878. And some historians say that the creation of the state of Assam itself was the first step towards the partition of Bengal. 2 British officers helped Lord Curzon in the partition of Bengal. The first one was Andrew Fraser, the Chief Commissioner of Madhya Pradesh, and the second one was J. Bamfield Fuller. He was the Chief Commissioner of Assam. Now we shall see the contribution of Andrew Fraser in the partition plan. He gave the proposal to Lord Curzon to change the geographical boundary of Madhya Pradesh and Bengal. He also mentioned the increasing population of Bengal, which was 7.8 crore at that time. He also proposed to disjoin Orissa and Sambalpur from Bengal and to annex these areas to Madhya Pradesh. He proposed to annex Chattagram to Assam with the view of expanding the tea business. Now, Lord Curzon studies the proposals that were being proposed by Andrew Fraser, the Chief Commissioner of Madhya Pradesh, and then he finds that these proposals were pragmatic or useful, and he expresses his desire to implement these proposals.